morning. So today we're going to do a bit of foam revival on those cushions from the T4. As you can see, it's had buttons, so we're going to remove all those holes where those buttons were, and it's quite taken out of shape where the actual covers have been on previously, so we're going to actually revive all that now using the steamer that we have. So if you have a quick look now, you can actually see how well this works, and it is really satisfying. So you can actually see how it brings the foam back to life and actually puts the corners back in and the edges. I actually love doing this. This is probably one of the most satisfying things that you can actually do. So if I bring this actually closer to you, you can actually see. So that corner there is all squashed. You see how it's actually brought that back to life, as it was before. It actually had. Again, this corner is quite squashed, you can see. Bit of steam. Look at that. How perfect does that become? All from some hot steam. Again, you can see where the buttonholes were. You can see the indentations are the ones I've not done there. So again, as you can see, just from that steam, how it's taken the holes and the indentations out that are up there, and how square that cushion has become instead of what you have here where it's all bumpy, no line there. Looks great. So I'm going to finish all these now. As you can see, this one's exactly the same, got the indentations, so they will all be gone, and I'll show you again once I've completed it. Okay, see you soon.